When pre-kindergarten progress reports are generated from PowerSchool, the final printed copy will look like this. Some of the information appearing on the report is automatically passed through PowerSchool and doesn't have to be entered manually by a pre-kindergarten teacher. This includes the school name and address, the school year, the name of the teacher, name and a photo of each student, which appears here, attendance data, and information included in the overview box. The task of the pre-K teacher is to manually enter general comments and comments for each of the 4 pre-kindergarten domains: social emotional, physical, wonder, and intellectual. For more information about comments and helpful assessment tools designed specifically for use in pre-kindergarten, please see the pre-kindergarten section in the Gradebook Support ProSchool site. In order to enter pre-kindergarten progress report comments, the following sequence is followed. First, make sure you have T1 selected as the reporting term if you are entering for the January reporting period, and T2 if entering data for the June reporting period. Then select one of the developmental domains. Notice I have one section for each of the developmental domains requiring comments. Each must be selected one at a time in order to enter comments for the respective domain. For this example, let's enter a comment regarding Mickey Mouse's physical development. Select Physical Development and notice that my students appear under the Score Sheet tab. Now double-click the field beside Mickey Mouse and under the final grade header. This will expose the comment entry box. With the comment entry box now open, I can begin to enter comments for Mickey's physical development. One way to enter text is to simply key in data directly into the comment field. It is also possible to write your comments in another program like Microsoft Word and then copy and paste them into Gradebook. To do this, highlight the comment from Microsoft Word. Then hit Ctrl-C on your keyboard. When you return to your comment box in Gradebook, hit Ctrl-V to paste the text. Gradebook uses HTML source code, so I will have to manually enter a special short code in order to insert a space separating sentences or to begin a new line of text. To enter a line break, key in an open bracket, then type the letters BR and then a closed bracket. Each time you want to start a new line of text or when you want to leave a space between lines. If I would like to end one line of text and then leave a space before my next line of text begins, I enter the line break code twice. Each developmental domain comment box is limited to a maximum of 2,048 characters. Notice how the remaining amount of characters appears in the left corner of the comment box. Please note that this total is not entirely accurate as it does not count down for white space used by the line breaks. The up-down arrow toggles allow me to skip to other students in my class so I can add or edit their comments as well. When I'm done adding or editing comments, I click Close and then Save in the lower right-hand corner. Please note that you can return to this work at any time to continue editing and editing comments. When a comment has been saved for an individual student, a small C appears across from his or her name in the final grade column. To return to the comment, double-click the cell. To enter comments for the other domains, follow the procedure for each. You will enter general comments in the course section called AM or PM.